Hi guys, so ngayon we are now here in Pasay City and we are going to visit IKEA. Nakikita, ayan. So ngayon, first time ko actually pumunta dito, nandito na yung IKEA. So I didn't realize na it's just beside the MOA Arena na very convenient for people who are going to watch a concert, going to watch a game here. Kasi last time yung UAAP dito sa may arena ginanap. So, madali nang tumakbo dyan. Ayan, saan na pa yung logo? Ayan, IKEA. Ayan. So, nakalagay dyan, if you can see that it's going to open on the 25th. Pero ngayon, we have an early sneak peek. So, ngayon, nagtutour around tayo with the people behind IKEA Philippines. So, let's go! Pero medyo pa ikot-ikot ako kasi nga marami pang hindi bukas. So sarado pa yung yung area. Pero I think I found it already. Pero pag bukas na lahat, it's convenient na. I wanted sana to do live. Kaya lang bawal pa daw mag live video. So ngayon, record ko na lang. Tapos yun nga, gawin natin to in the vlog. So medyo dumami-dami na rin yung mga tao na gumawa. Exciting. So batch 1 daw kami. So una-una kaming iikot around. Una-una kaming iikot dito in the compound. So wala pang open, so we cannot really shop. Pero bukas we will be going around as well. Tapos bibili na talaga tayo. So, hello, ayan, sino to?
Welcome to IKEA.
Ito, ayan. Hello. Ito pinakasikat. Hindi ako narinig niya. Ito ang pinakasikat yan.
My name is Georg. I am the store manager of IKEA Pasay City, and it's a very emotional moment for me and for our team to welcome the elite of the journalists, the Philippines, in our building, very close to our operational test day, which will be tomorrow. I came here 5.5 years ago to Manila, first time, with a mission to bring it here to the Philippines.
So we're moving around para kami nasa travel tour group. So kaya na may mga games pero mali-mali yung sagot ko. So hindi ko alam kung may premyo. Alright guys, so right now we are now in the area where they are selling the sofa. So makikita nyo different sofa styles nila. And, pero hindi kayo dito bibili So alam ko you go to the parang warehouse area nila and then you get. So pero dito it's like a showroom pa rin, pero showing a lot of the different kinds of sofa that they have. And here you can get some blankets. Dito pwede ka nang kumuha ng mga blankets and pillowcases. So yung sofa area ay yung first na makikita mo after ng mga vignettes. Then after daw, you get the chairs area naman and coffee tables. Nice, no?
One of our top seller products in IKEA. It's made of layered wood material, and it can stand up to 100 kilos.
Or some of the vignettes, medyo ginagawa pa. They're not yet fully done, which is understandable kasi hindi pa nga open So, ngayon, what we are doing, kung ano lang yung mga nakikita namin tapos na, we're taking some photos. Next stop, we are in the bedroom area. Tapos ayun nga na sabi rin dito, which is true, na there are people who goes here ng planned shop. Pero madalas tumatagal kasi nagiging impulsive buying. Alright, so we are now here in the restaurant. Sarado pa siya now, sayang kasi masaya sana to get some meatballs. Pero yan, ito siya. One of the, I mean, we're in the biggest IKEA in the world. So, dapat lang, malaki rin yung restaurant. So, ayan, ang laki ng restaurant. Tomorrow, baka, we will be able to eat tomorrow dyan. Kasi parang baka open na rin yan tomorrow.
Life is a winding road. No telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights. Won't stop for traffic lights.
So right now we are in the marketplace where yung mga nakikita nyong yung mga stuff that you can buy. Ito ba yun? Kung saan pwede na kayong bumili. Hindi na siya yung showroom. You can just get a bag. A yellow bag. And then budol.
And I really wanna know if I will ever figure.
Right now we are in the light section. One of my favorite sections here in IKEA. So kasi ang maganda dito kasi sa mga lighting ng IKEA is they are mura compared to others, and maganda din naman the quality. So you have to choose a good one. There's ito, hanapin ko yung mga favorite kong styles. Ayan, the favorite series ko to, the Hector series. Kasi maganda yung quality niya, and it's not too expensive compared to other brands. Isa pa that I like is the Skurup kasi it's like the Hector pero cheap look. $7.90 lang.
Figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling.
Yeah, the rubber plant looks nice. No? This one also looks real. Ganda. I think I'll buy those. So this one is nice. I might buy tomorrow. Ganda. Ang mura nito. Sobra. Sakto. This is the one that I'm looking for actually. So might buy this for our house as well. Saka dun sa isa kong ginagawa. So we are in the last area na kung saan we can get some of the big packs na we want. Ayan, nasa likod ay mga big boxes. So, yun na. Then after that one, counter na doon. So, almost done. Tapos sa dulo ng counter, you can see meron ding a little snack bar and you can buy some food as well. Yung mga frozen food nila. Pero hindi pa available now. Sana tomorrow, when we go back, available na. Kasi we wanna buy some meatballs.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs.
Ito siya. So, nakita niya yung red nung nakalagay. Andyan yung mga codes niya. So, Route 24 kunwari, doon nakalagay sa red, tapos shelf, whatever number. Alright, this area is now called as the second, nakalimutan ko bigla. Circular hub. Ayun, circular hub. So, madalas that they are putting here are the damaged goods or the display items na hindi na nila pwedeng ibalik sa pack. Kaya, talagay dito and then they will sell it in a much cheaper price. Minsan bumibili talaga ako sa ganito, sa ganyan. So, alright guys. So we are here in the canteen. Bumalik kami dito pala. Mayroon pa pala namin. Itatry namin some of the food that they are offering. Ano kaya? Sana may meatballs actually. Pero parang wala ata. Okay, so they have the almond cake which I really like. And they also have the meatballs. So we're going to try it now. Tagal na rin since the last time I tried it. Meatballs and mashed potato.
Sure. Next time. So, meatballs, tacos, and spaghetti.
Thank you. Thank you po. Thank you.
But your cousins don't.
Sobrang na-miss ko tong meatballs. Alright guys, so that ends our tour in the first IKEA store here in the Philippines. So sana na-enjoy nyo and ready na kayo yung mga wallet nyo. I-ready nyo na. Kasi we are now done and then tomorrow magsa-shopping pa tayo. Pero ngayon yung tour itself na wala pang tao, yan, na sobrang empty pa. We are almost done. We are done. Okay, bye. So, soon sana we can all go here together. Pero for the meantime, yun nga, book your schedule to shop. Then next time, dito tayo magkita-kita in IKEA here in Pasay City. See you guys!